Hey, what's up? It's Jay Alvarez, and today I'm going to show you the assembling of my first Copart purchase. It was a crazy process. It's my first time doing it, and it was a pretty cool experience if you're really into cars. I'm going to show you guys right now. I'm about, I would say, 100 and some feet away from it. And I want you guys to see if you could distinguish the paint, because I did not blend it. And it is the front driver fender and the bumper and the whole headlights, all that was replaced. So I put brand new tail lights. This is the fender, front fender that was replaced. It is sunlight. You could tell, if you pay attention, I don't know if the camera could get it, but it's a little bit lighter than the original color, especially on the bottom because of the way I painted it. But I don't know if you guys can see on the hood. This is from the hood. This is from the front. The bumper. Remember guys, on my previous video I painted the bumper and the fender. Can't really tell. The hood I did not touch. I just left it, did not blend it or nothing like that. I think it came out like a pretty good job. Tell me what you guys think and what your honest feedback and what's your experience getting a Copart vehicle. Go a little bit farther. Barely even tell. So for everyone asking about the interior, It's a little dirty, but expected for a used vehicle, you know. The dash, the panels. So guys, today I took it to DMV, and I got there at 8 a.m. and I was out by 10:40 a.m. and it took longer in the line to wait because there was like 4 or 5 cars ahead of me, and the inspection took 20 minutes, and all they looked at was the safety features, like the airbags, are they intact, are the seat belts are intact, headlights, do they work, do the highlights work, do the turn signals work, the brake lamps, what else did he look at? He was looking at the transmission. He looked for the VIN number on the transmission. He looked for the VIN number in the engine and matched it with the chassis or body of the vehicle. And that's all pretty much, that's all he did. He looked at the tires. It was, what I noticed, it was just basically just safety features. You know, is it road worthy? You know, is it gonna be safe for someone to be in it and drive it? So yeah, it took 20 minutes for him to check it, and then I was out, and it took about another 20 minutes to get the rebuilt title. And so far it's been a crazy experience. You know, the car drives fine, it shifts. I put 250 miles in 5 days. I've been using the crap out of it. I don't know, I want you guys to tell me your experience. You know, what have you guys experienced? What was your first car? And give it a like, give it a thumbs up, comment, tell me what you guys think of my rebuild so far. I think so far it's good. Just the paint, you know, the bumper and the fender, they have orange peel, so I have to sand it down and, you know, buff it out so I could get rid of that orange peel. But for now, I'm gonna leave it like that for now until I clean the interior and get the little details fixed. Other than that, I think it's so far it's been a crazy experience. First time, you know. I think it's cool if you're really into cars, you know, taking things apart, you're gonna like it. Cause ever since I was little, I was taking my Hot Wheels apart, you know, and I was like, how does this work? You know, how do the wheels attach to the chassis? So it's in my nature, you know. I just love taking things apart and putting them back together. So if you guys love it, if you guys love cars, I think it's a pretty good experience, you know, for you guys to have a project vehicle like I just did. I think it's more time consuming than what I thought. You know, when my friend said he was gonna paint my bumper and he never did, or he couldn't come through, so I had to go out and get a compressor, get a gun, find a way to make the paint, paint it, you know, and all that takes time because I'm working full time, you know, and on my days off I was putting work into it until I got done. I'll see you guys later, and don't be afraid to share your rebuilt videos. You know, comment on leave me the link on the comments so I can see your experience and what you went through, and I'll see you guys later. I'll talk to you later, and don't forget to subscribe and give it a like, because that helps my channel, and I appreciate you guys watching, you know, taking the time watching this, and I'll see you guys later.